The Roblox AI assistant is fine until you need it to do something real. But what if you could connect a powerful external AI to Roblox Studio, let it read your entire game's hierarchy, and have it write working scripts for you, live inside of Roblox Studio? In this video, I'll show you exactly how, using a tool called Cursor. I'm going to be showing you a demonstration right now of how all this works. If we go to the chat bar right here and type in, "Can you create a red brick inside of my Roblox game?" Let's click send. The point is that it uses my MCP server that I have connected. It lists Roblox Studios first so it can connect. Now it's using this execute Luau tool to create the red brick. So it says that it created the red brick inside of my game, and these are the details. Alright, so let's see. If we go back to Roblox Studio, as we can see, there's a red brick. But now, what if we wanted to make that red brick spin? If we went back to Cursor and asked it, "Can you make that red brick spin?" So it's using execute Luau again. It can also use the multi-edit tool to create the script. So if we went back to Roblox Studio, and instead of test, we set it to run, and then we click the play button, as you can see, the brick is now spinning. I'm now going to show you how to set all this up. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up Roblox Studio. You can open up one of your existing projects, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just create a new experience. Go to this AI Assistant button right here. Chat with Studio Assistant to get help and accelerate creation. Click that button. Then go over to the three dots right here. Then click Manage MCP Servers. Then over here it says Enable Studio as MCP Server. Toggle that on. Then where it says Cursor, toggle on this button right here. Now you can close out this assistant settings. Do Command Spacebar, Cursor, or if you're on a PC, you would do the Start menu. Let's go back to Roblox Studio. If we go to the three dots and do Manage MCP Servers, we can verify that it says one client connected. Now, if you've run into any connection issues during the setup, or you just want an AI code editor that has model control for free, check out this video right here, where I connect Windsurf to Roblox Studio. It uses a slightly different setup method other than the Quick Connect feature, which can sometimes be a little finicky. See you there!